So I'm going to make a quick introduction to human sex hormones. You have three primary sex hormones. You have testosterone, you have estrogen, and you have dihydrotestosterone. In men, testosterone is produced in their testes. There's a feedback system in place within the body, and it's referred to as the HPTA. So it's your hypothalamus, your pituitary, your testes. Your pituitary releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, which signals your hypothalamus to release gonadotropins, which then travel down to your balls and create either sperm or testosterone. I hope that's simple enough for everyone to understand. In women, testosterone is produced in trace amounts in your adrenals. So estrogen in men is actually created as testosterone is metabolized in the liver. It's processed with an enzyme called aromatase. So aromatase turns testosterone into estrogen. In the female body, most of the estrogen is actually supplied by the eggs they create. In the male body, DHT is created as testosterone is metabolized via an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. It's the same process, essentially. So your hormonal status is determined by your nutrient status. So someone that is adequately fed is almost guaranteed to have a higher hormonal profile than someone that's malnourished. And this is because breeding is something that should be done by healthy individuals. And hormones are the single determining factor when it comes to breeding behaviors. And I'm only halfway kidding when I say that. So these hormones have very far-reaching and deep effects within the human body. Testosterone literally upregulates every energy system in the body. It changes bone structure, bone density, it lengthens and thickens your vocal cords. Estrogen is extremely powerful as well. It widens the hips during puberty, and it causes pretty quick growth. And in this way, hormones are almost magic, I would say. Like, it's as close to magic as we can get. It's actually the fundamental and determining factor when it comes to the formation and forward progress of life. So another determining factor when it comes to hormonal health is your sleep schedule. The release of your hormones is diurnal. It's also pulsatile. So your hormones rise and fall with the rising and setting of the sun. So when you first wake up in the morning, you're almost guaranteed to have the highest level of hormones in your body because our evolution was dictated by the movements of the sun. So testosterone affects not only behavior but also appearance. Very high levels of testosterone can cause aggression, hypersexual behavior. It'll also make your traps super thick, make your shoulders broaden out. It'll make you thicker overall. Really high estrogen can cause mood swings. Really low estrogen will make you feel dead inside. So in conclusion, if you want to optimize your hormonal health, it's important to just stay fed with high quality food and a wide variety of food, and make sure you get enough sleep, definitely. So those two things right there, that's going to make all the difference. Obviously drinking water is going to help with everything too. But that's all I got. I'm tired.